Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Techie. I'm MG, and this channel is all about coding technology and next-gen 8 innovations that are shaping the future.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr. Techie. I'm MG, where we are break down coding and technologies in a simple way. Whether you are a beginner or tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Stay tuned because today's video is going to be amazing. So let's dive into today's topic. If you are planning to create a website, blog or personal brand, the first step is to buying a domain name. In this video, I'll show you how to buy a domain from Namecheap website, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. So what is domain? A domain is your website address on the internet, like google.com, facebook.com, like that. Today we will purchasing one using Namecheap, which is affordable, beginner friendly and trusted worldwide. So step 1, open your browser and in your browser search Namecheap, namecheap.com, this website. Okay, you will see here search bar on the home screen. Search your domain name. Let me first sign in. Okay, now I'm going to home page here. Step 2, search for your domain. I'm going this hello Mr. Techie MG. Click over here, search button. Don't add like .site, .com, like that. It will automatically give you some suggestions and the prices based on the domain name. Now step 3, search your extension like .com, .to, .org, .net, .ai, like that, whatever which is cheapest. So I just want here .site. Just click over this cart, add to cart. Okay, here see, I already choose this one, $0.98 per year. Let's click on view item. Here, this is added in my cart. Just I click on this checkout button. Step number 4, review cart and extras. Here, click over this. Here you will see some extra options. Domain name, keep it on, it is free. And auto renewal, here auto renewal, if you want to renew the website name automatically after 1 year, then you just go or turn on this toggle button. And after that, hosting, which is optional, but okay, hosting, you can skip this for now, but now if you don't need it, and I just added some more extra features here. Business email, which is trial version for 2 months. WordPress hosting is also I card because it is free for me. Here free for trial. I just got all these free things for trial purpose. Click over this confirm order. You need to sign in and create a new Namecheap account. Just enter your email, password and basic things. So here confirming order, but for that I'm just adding one coupon code here because I have this free REG26. It gives you more offer and it also workable for all the .site websites name extension names. So here I just added this promo code. Use this promo code and get your website domain in like completely for free. See here, this is showing me get your domain for free. So here just confirm order. Now next step is confirming order and your payment details. Here choose your payment method. Here debit card, credit card, UPI payment, PayPal, whatever you have. And let me fill my details. What we are added here, just review our order. Domain registration, hello Mr. Techie MG.site. Free domain privacy, it is forever free. Social media platform for trial, I added this for trial purpose. All these things, there is no any additional charges, so I just added these. Renewal, we just add after 1 year if we want this, then. And here just click over this pay now. It send you a OTP on your linked phone number, whatever the payment method is.
10 years later.
Congrats, your domain name is now successfully purchased. You can manage it anytime from your Namecheap dashboard. Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect with this domain name to the GitHub repository and host your website for free using GitHub page. We will cover like connecting Namecheap domain to GitHub, setting to your GitHub pages, making your website live on your own domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more techie and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.